Like I could have been third.
My performance though hasn't been great. I could have rode a little bit faster. I didn't ride well. I couldn't do well.
If my bike was fine, I would have 100% been in the top 5 in my category.
Good morning. It is 7:40 AM. आज मैं थोड़ा लेट हो गया. मैं जिम जा रहा हूँ एंड रैली ऑफ हिमालयास को कितने दिन बचे हैं? मे बी लाइक 20 दिन. The stuff is in the back there and I'm going to drive to my dad's place. We're going to load the bikes and let's get this rally started. So unfortunately the phone got heated and didn't record this bike getting loaded, but yeah, this is the setup. We're also doing it for the first time. So this is what they're looking like right now. Evolut India is leading the charge in electric mobility with their innovative and eco-friendly vehicle lineup. Though new, Evolut is committed to making a difference in the EV space, quickly becoming a name to watch. I'm grateful for Evolut's support as my title sponsor, powering me through every race and practice session. Their expanding reach and growing range of products show Evolut's dedication to a greener future. Thank you, Evolut India, for believing in me and being a true partner on this journey. So the bikes have been loaded. This is the kind of setup. We've got a lot of our stuff here as well, so that the sitting space is kind of free. Started.
सस्पेंशन नीचे वाला काम कर रहा है.
कौन सा वाला?
आपको पीछे वाला सस्पेंशन उठाने का मदद हो ये.
So we started a little bit later than we expected, but it's all right. चलता है. अभी देखते हैं where we reach. पापा की सांस अटकी हुई है. चंदा भाई सब सही है?
सब चेक कर लिया. ऑल गुड है.
ऑल गुड है.
सिर्फ शेसीज का फर्क है. होंडा की शेसी है तो होंडा, यामा की शेसी तो यामा हो गया, लेकिन वो है सारे प्राइम के तो सेम रखते हैं.
After a lot of searching, we finally found a place to have coffee. It's a barista. It's not my first preference, but portion किधर है? But beggars can't be choosers, so barista it is. Hello, so thank you to Juno Fast for sending these. One box is already open. हमने खोल लिया है, दूसरा खोल रहे हैं. Oh wow! So we have gloves, stickers for the bike. Juno Fast, thank you so much for sponsoring us, and your support is extremely valuable. And Papa ने those colors ही पहने हुए. He's wearing Juno Fast
Thanks
colors.
Juno Fast.
अभी तक ड्राइव का आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है? How are you liking your new
Ambushless ride.
pickup truck? चंदा भाई आप बताओ, पैसेंजर की तरह आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
पैसेंजर की तरह नहीं, बहुत बढ़िया. चिल कर रहे हैं, मज़ा कर रहे हैं.
It's been a fun drive. मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही है तो मैं पीछे जाके बैठूँगा after eating this.
ये किस चीज़ की चटनी है चंदू?
Carb Fest.
Got a two-tongue weight from my hairline to my backbone, and it's dragging me around that I don't.
रूम कॉफ़ी अभी रात को. This is where all the luggage is. This is where you pee and poo. चंदा भाई भी व्लॉगिंग चालू है.
क्या बात है जेल भाई ब्लॉगिंग
लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब. अब आप बोलो.
जी
ये स्टिकरिंग प्रोसेस है अपना और बेसिकली व्हाट वी डू हियर इज वी पुट आवर रेस नंबर्स ऑन द बाइक. आई एम रियली बैड एट इट बिकॉज हमको नहीं अच्छा लगता है सर नीटली स्टिकर करना. बट हाँ पापा अच्छे से लगाते हैं स्टिकर. और इसका पॉइंट ये रहता है कि यू नो पीपल कैन सी व्हाट बाइक्स हैव क्रॉस्ड फ्रॉम फार अवे. So it's about 4 p.m. and same thing, like regular carburetor behavior, you know, not opening up right. So this is the place, and the way my father are looking at looking on the bike, just sitting and taking in the sights. So the bike is performing 90% how it normally does. There's a little bit of fluttering which will, I think, continue and remain because the bike is, at the end of the day, a carved bike. I'm not unhappy with how it's riding. I'm really happy with it, like, because it's so much better than what it was before. My hair is a mess, but it's going to be worse as the days progress. And I mean, shout out to like my father and Chanda for like fixing the bike and giving it time. My father was like completely disregarded his own recce or like bike testing so that my bike can function right, because the last time I did the ROH it was so disappointing. Like I was crying in my helmet because my bike wasn't functioning right. And yeah, it was a really, you know, like this terrain is essentially why I got into riding or racing actually. No, riding actually, because I wanted to do Raid the Himalaya. Then Raid the Himalaya stopped, and now the first ROH when it came, I was like, fuck, I'll do it. I'll have a good time doing it. Then my bike, but on the last day where it was all downhill, I got like 7 overtakes and was able to go from like the bottom of my category to like the middle of it. So that was good, but like I just was like, imagine if I had a bike that was functioning properly, you know. So yeah, it happens. Well, you can't do anything about it, but I'm excited still. for the rally. I'm feeling very happy. I'm just happy.
Thanks to Phoenix Motor for outfitting me with top-notch gear. Managed by passionate, crazy bikers for passionate, crazy bikers, they offer some premium gear with exceptional grip, material, and quality. Visit Phoenix Motor's website or Instagram to gear up for your next ride. I, for one, love my Liat goggles from them. Amazing clarity and durability. Thanks again, Phoenix Motor.
So the race starts tomorrow. Today is the riders briefing day at Sisu. We are all packed up now and heading to Sisu. Night halt is going to be there. And tomorrow the race starts early morning. And it's cold.
Hopefully the riders briefing is informative. Usually it really isn't, but देखते हैं इस बार क्या होता है. चलो भाई, आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है?
बहुत बढ़िया फील हो रहा है और हमारी सर्विस टीम चल रही है बिल्कुल 0-0.
0-0. See you guys. Hello everyone, so we are at the Sisu helipad and we have gotten our bikes, like the scrutiny was done yesterday, but we got the little sign done that was needed. It's going very, very well. Like, I mean, it's very sunny. It's extremely, extremely sunny, but you know, it's also beautiful. So
परसों इसमें आना
सर टाइट जीन्स है सर बहुत ज़्यादा.
तो क्यों पहनी है? ये पहन ले. वो उतार के उसको रख अंदर.
ये राइट तुम सही मजे ले रहे हो.
वो जीन्स जो है ना उसको उतार दे.
सर मैं ठंड से चाह रहा हूँ बचना.
तो इसको अभी क्यों नहीं पहन रहा? ये ऊपर वाला जो है इसको भी पहन ले.
पहन ले तो जैसा ही मान जाओ यार.
good morning from Sisu. The rallyists have taken to the road and they are starting soon. I slept in the clothes that I was wearing last night because all the clothes are with Chanda, and I'm feeling damn excited. I think we'll start from here around 7:40, 7:45. Grab like a quick bite for breakfast and head to Koksar for the start of the first stage. And I'm excited. It's very cold. Everybody's bikes are fluttering. So I'm guessing everyone's like in the same boat. Like your bikes are obviously not going to be like at 100% at an altitude like this. But I'm damn excited. I'm damn happy, and let's go.
Red carpet, I'm on my way. Rock stars, you know what they say. More is more, less is more.
well. The stage, the last time I was standing here, was with tears in my eyes because I had fucked up the entire rally, like this stage, and I was sad because my bike wasn't functioning right. Like right now also my bike isn't at like 100%, but I'm happy with the bike, I'm happy with myself, I'm happy with how I rode, and I'm happy with the sun, man. I'm happy with where I am. I'm so fucking grateful I get to do this shit. It's so cool. I was smiling in my helmet in some sections going it's incredible. Day one done. As you can see, it was exciting. So I'm going to cover the khata. पापा तो बहुत एक्साइटेड लग रहे हैं खाने के लिए.
Of course I am.
Hello everyone. Day one had just 2 stages. The first one was क्या था पहला वाला? Ground Fu Battle was the first stage. Battle Loser was the second stage. The first stage was the longer one. Side details I'll be putting it. The first stage I did okay. I was getting used to the terrain, getting used to everything. I still did it in a decent time. I was very happy with how I rode. Second stage also I was very happy with how I rode. I'm running I think third right now. Nothing certain because I also missed like my check-in time by 6 minutes. So I'll be carrying forward a 6-minute penalty because I calculated my check-in time wrong, which is my bad. I'm not blaming anybody. I just, I got a penalty. So regardless of all of that, there's still 2 more days left. Tomorrow is going to be like a stage from Kaza to Demul, then Demul to Kaza. And then day after also, we were just going to do the same stage we did today, but backwards. So, and I hope that, I can make up for the lost time there. And if not first, then at least like maintain my position in the second and third in my class. Fingers crossed. Okay, so ready for day 2. Kaza to Demul, then back to Kaza, then back to Demul. So that's a little bit annoying to do the same stage twice, but let's see kya rehta hai. Bike's looking good, feeling strong. Just not very happy with the penalty that I accumulated yesterday, but I'll see if I can make up for it. Day 2 stage 1 is done, and I'm feeling a little weird because I don't know, I don't feel like I usually feel, but I rode well. I think I did it in a decent enough time. It was a very scary stage, and I did it fine, I did it well, but I really want to race because I really want to get a podium with this bike. And yeah, just gonna go to Kaza, go to the hotel, get for the bike. Like imagine I'm bringing the bike to the hotel for the service to happen because Chanda doesn't have like a transport. So I'll take the bike to the hotel, get it fueled up first, take it to the hotel, get it serviced, and then go back to the stage again. I don't think I'll video it this time, but yeah. अभी अभी खत्म करे, कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही बढ़िया।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मजा आ रहा है। We are having our dinner at an extremely dingy restaurant, but it smells and looks very good, and it's steaming hot, so I'm excited about that. Channa bhai, full power 0-0.
Hello and good morning from Gaza. Today is the Eid. It's a Sunday, and today is the last day of the Rally of Himalayas. I'm out at the disgusting room. I'm waiting for my bike to warm up. Then I'll head to a restaurant, have some coffee, eat something, and then we're gonna head to Losar. Today's transport is about 70 odd kilometers, and then the double S, the special stage, is also 70 odd kilometers, I think. So, I quickly start, reach Losar, go to the Losar Rafu stage, and then the rally is over. There was supposed to be another stage in Rohtang, but that got cancelled because apparently there are some rumors that it's going to snow today. So yeah, let's go and let's see you guys on. I'll see you guys when I see you guys.
It's about 7:43, 45 now. My hands are so cold. I can barely fucking move them. I have a pair of cold gloves in my bag, but I can't even press this. My fingers are so stiff. Like, there's some bikes coming. I'm gonna ask them to help me. Hi, it's 2024 now. I've taken a lot of time to work on this video, mostly because I did not have time to work on this video. My job was very hectic. Nahi nikal pa raha tha time like to sit and like edit this video. So the reason why this video kind of gets cut off here is that I lost my camera in the last stage of the rally, right? Like I chala raha tha bike and the recording was on. Since it was one stage, we didn't have any stops, so I didn't even like notice that my camera was gone till the end of the rally. I'll talk about it later in the video, but essentially like I had lost my camera. वो bike से कहीं उड़ के चला गया, and yeah, I didn't have it, and I'm guessing that since it was recording when it fell, I couldn't get any footage from that stage. अभी तो मैं बोल ही सकता हूँ, I can't show it to you, but I think that stage was my life's best riding ever. I overtook one of my friends. That was fucking amazing because we were trailing for like 4 kilometers. I was behind him, and you know, he was 2-3 positions ahead of me. He took start 2-3 positions ahead, so I had to overtake people before him, and then I reached at him, and like when I reached to him, like the stage got extremely narrow and like winding and rocky, and there's like puddles of water, and it's freezing. तो वो बहुत देर तक उसे I was trailing, and then I found like a gap in the inner line, and I overtook him, and then I just kind of like did not stop. I just kept gunning it, and I think I rode very well because I didn't see him in the rear view mirror at all. So अच्छा था, मतलब like it was quite nice. But yeah, I was very happy with how I rode the last 7-8 kilometers of the stage. I did on a bent rim and a fully flat rear tire, so my bike was just kind of going sideways throughout. And initially I thought that maybe something's off, maybe my chassis is bent, maybe like the swing arm is loose. So though these thoughts were in my mind, but I did not let them bother me. I was like, okay, जब मैं गिरूँगा तब मैं देखता हूँ. अभी I said fuck it right now, like I'll just focus on like what I can focus on, which is my riding. I don't have control on my swing arm, I don't have control on anything. But turns out that luckily it was just a bent rim and a flat, so I finished my rally like that. And yeah, it was very good. It was a lot of fun. and I really wish that I had that footage, but since I don't, enjoy this. So we just finished the Rally of Himalayas. And how was it for you guys?
Crazy.
Yeah?
I feel fucking alive.
Just missed from a cliff.
Yeah, we did it. I lost my camera. Your boy has successfully finished the Rally of Himalayas. No damage to the bike, no faults, nothing serious, nothing major. Everything went well, everything went smooth. Finished the rally on a complete flat. Rode really well. I think this was my best riding ever. Let's see what the timing says. One horrible thing that happened was that I lost my action camera. So when I arrived, it was like this. I'm hoping that the rally stuff, the sweep car can find it, because I really want to share my riding with the world. I mean, whatever little bit of the world is interested in seeing it. Yeah, I'm just very happy with myself. The tires are completely gone. Almost completely bald. Yeah. कैसे रही विजय भाई?
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. He's fucking fit, sir. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39.
Rolling Himalaya 3rd edition. Best Student Trophy, 3rd in Extreme. Best student.
Shabash, he's fucking fit.
Hello, best of luck for race. Hope that you do a great job.
All the best, bhai. Fardana, bhai.
Hey Jayesh, all the best for your race. The Himalayas don't know what's coming.
Hi Jayesh, best of luck for your race. You're gonna rock it.
All the best Jayesh. ध्यान से चलाना, पहाड़ों में बहुत तेज मत जाना. Have fun, have a good race. All the best, love you.
Make us proud, man. I mean, actually, no, don't do it for us. Just make yourself proud, I guess. Prouder than you already are. I'm kidding, but yeah.
Best of luck, Jayesh. Go win it, champ. We'll pray for you. Shuraya hai, Shuraya hai, Shuraya hai.
So it's about 11:30 or so. We came back from the prize distribution ceremony a while back, and I feel incredible. I feel very good. I feel very lucky, and I'm just very full of emotions right now. Yeah, this is my first podium win in the rally format and my first podium on the X-Pulse, which I've been waiting for a very long time. So I feel amazing. A crazy thing that happened was that I lost my camera, so it flew off in the middle of the last stage, and someone found it. Someone found it and picked it up. I posted messages on the group saying that, you know, I lost my camera, can the sweep car please look for it? The rally organizers tried, but they couldn't find the camera. So I had lost hope that I would find the camera, but I was mostly just very, very sad about not being able to see my best riding ever, like till date. Then around like 8:30, I get a DM on Instagram saying, responding to my story that I put up about my lost camera, saying that they found an Insta360. I was like, yes, that's mine. And it's so crazy because I lost the camera in the middle of the stage. Somebody found it. They picked it up and they happened to follow me. So they saw the story and they were like, we have the camera. And it's fucking incredible to think of it, to think about it like that. They'll come back to Manali in a few days from Kaza and hand the camera to one of my friends here, who's going to then post it to me. I feel so incredibly lucky and happy because I won in my, like I got a podium, and when I thought I lost my camera, somebody found it. The universe is a fucking crazy place, and yeah, sometimes you work hard and sometimes it's just kind to you. You have to work hard and you have to wait for the universe to be kind to you. I'm very excited to see what I do next, how I perform in other rallies and other motorsport events, and I hope I can keep bringing in more trophies home. And I want to have trophies. I want my problems to not be like, oh, why am I not winning? I want my problems to be like, oh, where the fuck should I keep these trophies now? I have to be quiet because Chanda and my father are sleeping and I don't want to disturb them, but